Hey everyone, is your Discord running slow, lagging, or taking up way too much storage space? The problem is probably your cache. Every time you send or receive images, videos, and GIFs on Discord, temporary files get stored on your device, and over time, these files can pile up and cause issues. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to clear your Discord cache on Windows, Mac, Android, and iPhone. Let's get into it. First, quick background. What is cache? Cache files are temporary data that Discord stores on your device to make things load faster. When you open a server or view someone's profile picture, Discord saves that data locally so it doesn't have to download it again the next time. This speeds things up, but the downside is that over months and years, these files accumulate and can cause Discord to slow down, freeze, crash, or just eat up your storage space. Clearing the cache removes all these old files and gives Discord a fresh start. And don't worry, it won't delete your messages, servers, or settings. Those are all stored on Discord servers, not locally. Let's start with Windows. First, make sure Discord is completely closed, not just minimized to the system tray, but actually closed. Right-click the Discord icon in your taskbar and select Quit Discord. Now open File Explorer and in the address bar at the top, type %appdata%\discord and hit enter. This will take you directly to Discord's hidden folder. Inside, you'll see three folders: Cache, Code Cache, and GPU Cache. Right-click each one and select Delete. Once all three are deleted, go to your recycle bin on the desktop, right-click it, and choose Empty Recycle Bin to permanently remove the files. That's it. Open Discord again, and it'll rebuild fresh cache files. For Mac users, the process is almost identical. First, quit Discord completely. Make sure it's not running in the background. Open Finder, click Go in the menu bar at the top, and select Go to Folder. In the text box that appears, type ~/library/application-support/Discord and hit enter. You'll see the same three folders: Cache, Code Cache, and GPU Cache. Right-click each one and select Move to Trash. Once they're all in the trash, right-click your trash icon in the dock and choose Empty Trash. Done! Your Discord cache is cleared. On Android, it's much simpler. Open your phone's Settings app, then go to Apps. Scroll down and find Discord in the list and tap on it. Now tap Storage and Cache. You'll see exactly how much storage Discord is using and how much of that is cache. Tap Clear Cache, and boom, it's instantly cleared. This won't log you out or delete any of your data. It just removes temporary files. You can do this anytime you want. It's completely safe. Unfortunately for iPhone and iPad users, Apple doesn't give you a simple button to clear app cache like Android does. The only way to clear Discord's cache on iOS is to delete the app and reinstall it. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find Discord, tap on it, and select Delete App. Confirm it, then go back to the App Store and reinstall Discord. You'll have to log back in, but all your servers and messages will be exactly where you left them since they're stored on Discord servers. It's a bit annoying, but it's the only way on iOS. So why bother doing this? There are a few good reasons. First, it frees up storage space. Discord cache can easily take up hundreds of megabytes or even gigabytes over time. Second, it fixes performance issues like lagging, freezing, or slow loading times. Third, it can resolve weird glitches like images not loading or profile pictures being outdated. And finally, from a privacy and security standpoint, clearing cache removes any media files that might have been automatically saved without you realizing. I'd recommend clearing your Discord cache every few months just to keep things running smoothly. And that's how you clear Discord cache on any device. Windows and Mac users delete the cache folders manually, Android users hit Clear Cache in Settings, and iOS users delete and reinstall it. Easy stuff. If this helped you out, leave a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments how much space you freed up. See you in the next one.